Hey guys, today we're out at Sharks Cove. I just took a little quick ride just to get some mileage in during the week. And I thought, you know, we had that problem with the chain up in Peacock Flats. Well, here's a little hill called Pupukea. And it's a short ride, but maybe it's a good test to see whether I can see if my chain is working properly. And we'll give it a try, I guess. All right, we'll see you in a little bit. Well, that was an adventure. Very short one, but a very good test. I have a couple steep rides that I'm thinking about. And a return to Peacock Flat. I'm not sure when I'm going to do that though. I have one in downtown Honolulu that goes up to a place called Tantless. That rides up in the mountains in the rainforest above the city of Honolulu. And I'm thinking about it. It's a long 6-miler, maybe an 8-miler with traffic. Folks, it's summer right now. And since those people can't go to Europe and all those other places, everybody has come to Hawaii. You see the cars that I'm looking at here? It's crazy. Everybody's come here to enjoy their vacation after the pandemic. It's only 10:30 in the morning and this place is packed. Well, there you go. All right, well that's it. I'm taking off today. We're gonna go do another ride a little later. Catch you guys on the next ride. Aloha.
I'm a little coconut in a coconut tree, swinging all day long in a tropical breeze, hanging with my boy, sometimes we're dancing hula. One day I was swinging in a coconut tree, along came a wind and I fell into the sea. It was the ocean, I was surfing and sweating. I knew I was drifting to the land of LA, where ripe young coconuts usually play. Then I landed on the beach at this big hotel, and there were women, girls in bikinis.